Hello and welcome. Today I will be restoring previously downloaded games when I was running Windows 10. I recently downgraded my system to Windows 7 for personal reasons. Currently I am restoring Assassin's Creed Syndicate, was previously downloaded when I was running Windows 10. The objective of this video is to restore Fortnite, as probably it's the most popular games on Epic Games. As you can see, Fortnite is a large game, it's over 70 gigabytes. Re-downloading this game would be really hard for many people. First step, to go to your previously downloaded game and rename it to, for example, XYZ underscore Fortnite, or any name you prefer, doesn't matter. This is the folder that was previously downloaded and it has over 70 gigabytes of data of the game. Next, go back to Epic Game Launcher and install Fortnite. Click on Install Fortnite. I will put both views on the same window so you can see what's going on. Go to Fortnite and click Install the game. You'll be greeted with Choose Installation Location window. Let me move this window so you can see. I want to install my Fortnite on a separate hard drive. I already selected the desired directory where I want to install it, and I clicked install. As soon as you click install, you can see a folder was created called Fortnite. Let me show you the download process. As you can see, the download will commence shortly. Wait for the download to create essential files, the manifest files, etc. Leave it for about 10 to 15 seconds, or leave the download about 10 to 15 megabytes. Then click cancel download. Make sure to leave Epic Game Launcher open. Go back to the install folder and rename the newly created directory called Fortnite. I will rename mine to IJK underscore Fortnite. This folder is not important anymore, but I'll keep it here anyway. After you rename the newly created folder, make sure to rename the previously downloaded Fortnite to Fortnite. In my case, I rename XYZ underscore Fortnite to Fortnite. Go back to Epic Game Launcher and resume download. Shortly after the download has been resumed, the verification process will begin. Leave the verification process ends before you launch the game. I will zoom a little bit so you can see clearly that the verification process is proceeding. I will fast forward the video until the process is done. When the verification process reaches 100, you will see a notification in the bottom right corner says update complete. Now you're successfully restored Fortnite without having to re-download the over 70 gigabytes of game data. I will launch the game to see if it's working properly. The game is now loading. The loading time may be longer than usual the first time you run the game, but it shouldn't be over 1 minute. Wait for the loading process finish. Now the Fortnite has been launched, and checking for updates. When the game first time is launched, it may take longer than usual checking for updates. I will switch here to my Xbox controller to see if it's working properly. And of course, as you can see, it's automatically detected my Xbox controller. I will just choose here creative mode I'll attempt to run the game just to see if it's working. The game again is loading. I exit the game and I went back. Feel free to delete the semi-empty folder called IJK Fortnite. Fortnite is running perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please drop a like, subscribe for more videos.